If you don't have a LinkedIn profile yet, you are missing opportunities. Jobs, clients, and partnerships, everything starts here. Let me show you how to create one in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Go to linkedin.com, click on Join Now and enter your email and password. Step 2. Add your name and location. Use your real name. This helps people find and trust you. Step 3. Add a simple headline. Don't overthink it. Just write what you do. Step 4. Add your experience. Just add your company name, your role, and what you are working on. Keep it short. You can improve later. Step 5. Add a profile photo. This is very important. Profiles with photos usually get higher responses. Just use a clear and friendly photo. Done! You now have a LinkedIn profile. But here's the real part most people miss. Creating a profile is step 1. Actually growing and getting leads is the step 2. That's where Bearconnect helps. With Bearconnect, you can find the right people, set personalized outreach, and manage the conversations automatically. So instead of waiting, you start getting replies. Create your profile, then use Bearconnect to actually grow. Link is in the description.